Hey guys, it's Will, and I wanted to record just a quick video as our midweek check in here. If you didn't know, there is a hurricane set to hit Florida today, and we're going to ask you to please put in your thoughts and prayers, the agents and the families there. Obviously, if you have clients in Florida and you're working with them now, feel free, and I'd recommend continue working with them, get some coverage in place for the just in case. But I also realize people are going to be losing power and they're not going to be connected. I had a client that last week I tried to get coverage put in place. She's in Georgia and they just got power restored, and we were just yesterday able to get an application put in for her. The reality of what we do is we help families, we help them get protected. So keep that in mind and keep pressing on to your goals. If you're feeling discouraged, I want to just share with you something that happened to me last week. I set 12 appointments and I sat on 11 of them. I actually did write two apps, but they got instantly declined because the persons on the other end really weren't forthcoming in what their medical history was. One of them, we're still trying to work with them and get something put in place. So here's the thing. This week, I've written like 7 apps. I'm a third way to my stretch goal. And I really want to encourage you, keep putting in the activity regardless of the results. Because a lot of what we do in this business is momentum. And since we deal with people, we can't control their activity, but we can control ours. Finally, I just want to take just one more moment to please put in your thoughts and prayers the members on our team that are either currently affected by the storms that just hit the Carolinas and Georgia and Tennessee last week, but also please put in your prayers those that are in the path of this oncoming storm, the hurricane, the winds, the rains. That's going to be a big deal for a lot of people in Florida. So please put them in your prayers. They're in our thoughts and prayers. And if we can be of any help to you this week, reach out. Use that midweek check in that is below so you can interact with us, and we'll do everything that we can to help you. For an agent who already reached out this week, keep putting in the work. You're doing great. You know who you are. And I am so glad that you are part of our team. Olivia and I pray for you all every week, and we just want to let you know that really you are our favorite part of what we're doing. We love watching your businesses grow as you grow, and we're here to partner with you in every way that we can.